Okay, so this is Scanner Pro, and basically what we're doing here is using the iPad or the iPhone's camera to take a shot of a paper worksheet, or it could be a whiteboard that you've been working on. So you can see here it's a version of a camera that's detecting the edges, and once it sees the edges it brings that selected part of the photo into the app, and then you can do a range of different things to make it a little bit better to use in the end. So in this case it's more of a black and white worksheet, so we're adjusting the levels here to make it a bit more readable. And then the choices that we have there are color, black and white, and grayscale. You can rotate. In the bottom right corner of the screen here you can see I'm using it on my iPhone as well. That'll pop up from time to time in this how-to video. So here I am, I'm choosing the size of the paper, and then once I'm done it shows me a thumbnail of the sheet, and I can actually go and add one from my existing camera roll and add that to the document as well. So here's a bit of a scribble up the top, so I'm just going to crop that out of the original document. Again, I can rotate it and move things around. So now I've got a 2-page document. Now the share function says heaps. I can email it, I can send it to my photo roll. Again, on the iPhone there I've got options as well. And then open in is probably the one that I like the best. So here I can choose to open as a PDF or a JPEG, and PDF's where it's at. I can really get to save it into my Dropbox for my students to use, into Evernote. I can send it to my Google Drive. It's just like probably about 10 different ways I can send that file on, and that's what the power of this app is. I can share it really easily, not just as a picture but as a PDF. So once I've converted it into a PDF, the good part about this app is I can then use that PDF document in other apps. So if I have a look here, if I use the open in function and I open it as a PDF, there's all of these apps on my iPad and on my iPhone in the bottom right corner that I can use to open it in. So for example, our app of Quick Sheets, I can just bring that straight into Quick Sheets from there and start cutting along. So it's really good that it works with other apps and has that connectivity between itself and other apps, making life a bit easier to use. So there's Scanner Pro. It's available on iPad and iPhone. You can click the link below this video to get it for yourself. It's not a free app, but there is a free version, so go check out Scanner Pro. Please follow us on Facebook and Twitter, or on our website. We'd love to see you there.